Howdy, and welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel. And this is the Rover review, I won't say podcast series, but it's just a daily morning discussion about Rovers that are for sale on the internet and mainly on the Manheim platform. And if you're new to this, please like and subscribe. We try to do it every morning, as well as feature other live content that is not recorded on a screen share. So this Rover in particular, I've been trying to do this one for a while. It comes out of South Carolina. It is a 25th anniversary 95 long wheelbase. They didn't make a whole lot of them that were designated as a 25th anniversary edition. But this one, it's at a dealership, and I'm only featuring it because this dealership has kind of come under some enthusiast scrutiny recently on some of the Facebook groups. So they're based out of South Carolina, and I believe they have, there's no price listed, but offers start over $36,000, and I'll scroll down here and see if that's correct. Yes, yeah, 36. You can start at 36 making offers. Now, it's an interesting platform to list it on Manheim. I guess the idea is they want to use it as a conduit to divert you back to their website for more information on the cars. Here's some of their other listing. They do a lot of Rovers, and this kind of goes into my spiel about it's hard to keep Rovers in inventory and sell them to the mass market. But what they're doing is mass market marketing. It's like, oh, I want a Rover. I want something interesting. This looks fun and cool. It's at a dealership. It must be good. It says it's been serviced. Let's go. Let's hit the buy button and do it. So 225th anniversary edition, blah, blah, blah. Like, I like when they list the features. Like it's a modern car with Bluetooth and lane keep, you know what I mean? It's like, what is that? Who's like, oh man, it doesn't have heated seats, I'm out. Or, you know, it doesn't have self-canceling turn signals. Like, what? I don't know. I never understand that. You want old cars with no features because features are old and they break. So, sorry, a little side quest there. But this one it's listed, offers over $36,000. It appears to be in very nice condition as far as how it's presented, but again, it's also said it's received a major service or a service, which, you know, that has a definition not in the U.S. Like in the UK and Europe, you know, they do a Group A, B, C service based on the manufacturer's spec, and I feel like it's just kind of a standard thing you do. It has a definition of what it means. And here, what do they change the oil? Who knows? You probably can call. I'm not saying they didn't do anything, but you never know. Here's the pictures. Again, it looks good. What it appears to be missing, and maybe it's been repainted, is the 25th anniversary badge that should be affixed, and I believe it's right where that little British flag is. I've owned one of these, actually, a 95 long wheelbase silver 25th anniversary edition with the black interior, blah, blah, blah. Cool truck. Found it in a junkyard. Maybe it's the same one. Who knows? But yeah, I mean, it appears to be on air suspension. It's only exterior pictures. Again, I believe this ad only exists to draw entrance and redirect you to their main website. But, you know, if you scroll through different trucks for sale, you've undoubtedly seen this background, this setting, and the Classic or the Rover Classic or whatever their name is listed in multiple places. These tires look very old. They're Firestones with an odd tread pattern. I could be wrong. I can't see it, but who knows? It's probably also on air. But again, you know, if this appeals to the person who goes, I want the nicest one, let's look for it. Oh, I found it. I can just buy it. I hope it's good. Now, again, you can do that, but just because it's listed and there's nice pictures and it was on Bring a Trailer or this and that doesn't mean it's good at all, because you have to ask the right questions. But the people that want to spend all the money on the thing aren't going to be the ones that ask the questions and do the thing, and then they wonder why they're disappointed. So I can't, you know, blame lies all over the place. You know, people talk about how Bring a Trailer's gotten out of hand and how there's, you know, too much, dealers can bid up their own stock and the prices are wild and whatnot. But, you know, there's someone buying that too. So there's a little blame to be cast around everywhere. So just a little thought of. But yeah, that's it on this one. It's priced high. It seems okay. You got to do your research, right? Don't hurt yourself if you think it's perfect. Who knows? that's going to be it for this one. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Catch you in the next episode.